Guys, welcome to a beautiful sunny day here in Oregon. I bought a Ford Fiesta and I'm gonna do a few things at the lot. My wife is on her way and then we're gonna go pick it up. But while I do stuff inside, take a look at the video of the clip of the live bidding, how I purchased this Ford Fiesta.
Here's a pickle that we have. $7 grand for that thing. So I have this one coming up and then $549 on this end coming up.
They read 123 in the miles.
Title delay.
Hey, that's a neat old car with low miles, huh?
So I don't like title delays.
$500.
$500 though. Heck yeah.
6 and 7. Down 10, down 11.
Nah, it has a title delay. So we're gonna shut this off. Let's see what this is at. $500.
Getting good offers online. Come on in. Going once. Got it. Now 6, now 7. Western Sky and Bobby's. I'll tell you, you guys are doing a great job. At 800, 900, 1000. You bet. Now 11.
Okay, adios this one. So this Fiesta here, I won this car 2 weeks ago. The reason why I want it is look at that red interior. Oh, $1,300, heck yeah. Almost started to miss it. I got it for $1,900 last time.
Not a group you up again, get a bit of the 18 if you want to get in. Everybody else at 18, have a bit of the get a bit of the bid here. Get a bit of the 18, 19.
$1,900, just like last time. Let's see what happens. I think they wanted 2.5 for it. That's why I didn't get it.
And we'll ask at 19 and see what happens here, Diane.
There we go. Got it again. So
we'll ask at 19.
We'll see what's gonna happen this week with it. This thing, they said that they need $2,200 for this Fiesta. So this is the first official purchase that I got today.
Guys, I want to say thank you for joining and watching, spending your time with me, although clearly I can't see you guys, but I appreciate it. I made it to Manheim and I am looking for a bright red Fiesta. That's a Focus. Close call, close call. So once I find it, I will show it to you guys. Literally, as I said that, I found it. Here she is. And this is why I bought it, guys. This interior right here. Have you ever seen this spec before? Because I sure haven't. Fiesta. Let's check fluids, see if she will start, and then we could head out. It's such a beautiful day today. I love it. That looks good. Engine bay is a little dirty. We have oil. I see coolant. I think we can try and start it. Oh, but this is a little car. Rear windshield wiper is on. All right, we have some fuel. TPMS light is on, possibly low on air. Sorry, you guys couldn't see that. Nice, easy, quick pickup by the looks of it. We are moving under our own power, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah. So far, no lights. Everything is looking really, really good. So, as you guys saw, the winning bid was $2,200. After fees, it was right under $2,400 for this car. And there is actually one identical to this one, a little bit lower miles. Actually, yeah, a little bit lower miles, but exact same spec. Red, I mean, literally exact same spec. And the dealer selling it, I think, wants $6 grand for it. So technically, I got this one almost 3 times cheaper than the other one. I see a small chip in the windshield, but that's about it. And I think I will see what needs to be done to it, clean it up maybe a little bit, a nice wipe down, and we're gonna try to get $4 grand out of this one. Should be an easy sell because of the color combo. I've never seen this before. I didn't make it far out of Manheim, but it's running really, really well. No funny noises, no rattling. I mean, car is running really good. So gonna go to the lot right now and I will show you guys this car in depth Although it's not a special car, it is a special variant of this car. Here is this beauty. What do you guys think of the purchase? Cool little car. I mean, clearly like nothing special, but it's special because of the color combo. Since I'm here, I think I need to move some cars around because I'm thinking maybe I should start working on this fence and put the tarp around it here. And I have some room because I actually sold 6 cars in 5 days last week, which was crazy considering the coronavirus and everything that's happening. But as you guys can see, the lot is more or less more empty now than it was the last few videos. I know this battery is dead. That one will probably be dead. Ford should be okay. The van and the BMW behind it batteries will be dead. This one battery will be dead. Chrysler, I don't know. Everything else should be okay. But I'm thinking moving this BMW in the slot over there. I don't know, we'll see. We're gonna go inside, do some office work, and I guess we'll see what's gonna happen later. Sitting here, you know, trying to win some cars and wanna find out where this title is for this darn BMW. So I called Mannheim, and fortunately the lady was not very nice, which I don't understand why. But she said that the seller, the selling dealership, applied for a duplicate California title for this vehicle, and they sent it in pure sale, and they sent it. Stop it.
Clean title.
What the heck? Literally, I've been sitting here for like an hour. It hasn't done that, and as soon as I start recording, all these little messages come up. But anyways, they said they sent out, oh, that's really annoying. They sent out the paperwork prior to this whole coronavirus, but because of the coronavirus, California is pretty much shut down, and they also shut down the DMV, and they are not processing titles. So I have no idea how long I will have to wait for the title. I bought that car 2.5 months ago. I could have sold it by now, but I can't because I don't have the title, and I don't know when I'm gonna get it. So yay for California being wonderful. Not. But on the real though, like, what the heck? Literally an hour I've been sitting here, and it hasn't been doing that. My brother showed up, and we are going to take his BMW to get painted and kind of fixed up by the guys who I used to rent from. Oh, it's still misfiring. Still feel it. Got the rear seats kicked down. I don't know if this is garbage. Seems like it is. But he has the bumper and fender. Show you guys the damage as a reminder. He just replaced the lower control arm on this thing. Yeah, see how shiny that is? Brand new. So the wheel, I mean, clearly it'll need an alignment. It's still laying down a little bit, but it's not as bad as it was. I need to grab my dealer plate from the Fiesta. All right, we got everything loaded, and I have not driven this car yet, so I guess we'll see how she runs. But this is a very well optioned example. Hope I don't scrape. Oh, we are good. What just beeped at me? Something did. Hear rattling and whatnot. Shift's good though. This is a very nice example. As far as I know, it's fully loaded. It got sport seats, bi-xenon headlights, heated seats, the premium Harman Kardon sound system, parking sensors, moonroof. It's a really nice example and a really nice dark blue color. Let's head to the other shop, see the guys, and I think we're gonna wrap up this video. Just made it to the shop. Let me just read it. This says, hi, this is Claire, blah, 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 from Nextdoor app, blah, blah, blah. I backed into your black BMW last night. It's a blue BMW. While coming down our driveway, looks like there's some damage to the front right corner. We are out of town next week and on planes tomorrow, but I'd love to coordinate when it's convenient for you. Please call or text me. How very nice. So this BMW was at a very low impact accident, but this lady hit it pretty darn hard.